Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. This isn't just an omelette, it's a Goan street food favorite, spicy, satisfying and comforting with that rich roast soaking into soft bread. Let's dive into this plate of flavor. In a mixer jar, add 1 green chili, some cloves of garlic, half inch of ginger peeled and chopped, some fresh coriander leaves washed, half teaspoon of salt. Add water as required and grind into a fine paste. In a bowl or shallow plate, add 250 grams of washed chicken. Add the ground masala. Mix well. Keep aside and let it marinate for 10 minutes. Place a pan on medium flame, add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, half inch of cinnamon stick, small piece of nutmeg, mace, 2 Kashmiri chilies, half inch of ginger peeled and chopped, some cloves of garlic, 2 petals of star anise, 6 cloves, 1 cardamom, 7 black peppercorns, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of couscous. Roast these ingredients for a few seconds. Then transfer into a plate. In the same pan, add half sliced onion. Roast until it turns translucent and then transfer into the plate. In the same pan, add 1/3 cup of grated coconut. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Roast for a few minutes. Then switch off the flame and let it cool. Once cooled, transfer the roasted ingredients into a mixer jar. Add water as required. Add little tamarind soaked in water and grind into a fine paste. Place a pan on medium flame, heat little oil in it, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half onion chopped. Saute until the onions turn translucent. Add 1 stem of curry leaves. Add the marinated chicken. Mix well. Cover with the lid and let the chicken cook. Stir in between. Then add the ground masala. Add water if required and mix well. Cover with the lid and let it cook for a few minutes. Add little stock powder. Mix. If you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Add salt and sugar as per your taste. Add 1 teaspoon of Goan garam masala powder and mix. Once the chicken is cooked and the gravy thickens, add fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped. Mix well and then switch off the flame. To make the omelette, in a bowl add 1 egg. Beat it well. Add half onion chopped, 1 small tomato chopped, 1 small green chili finely chopped, some fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped. Add salt as per your taste and mix well. Place a pan on medium flame, heat little oil, put the egg mixture into it. Once one side of the omelette is fried, flip the omelette to fry the other side also. The omelette is now fried. I am switching off the flame. In a plate, add the roast. Place the omelette. Sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped. Sprinkle chopped onions. Serve with bread, a slice of lime, chopped onions and tomatoes. I love how the roast soaks into the bread. Every bite is so delicious. See you all in my next video. Until then, happy cooking and thanks for watching.